What happened, Andy? One more time.
We were on fire. We were dancing in the dark. We were on fire. It was tearing us apart. You left a hole in my heart, and I feel it.
Take this part.
You can take the rope and
Crush it full speed into the other, so both are together, and I can pull from the rope and take both down. But I'm not sure that this will work.
I think it's a bad plan, but I don't know.
Now I have to tie it to the center of mass because the quad will go straight up. So maybe, yeah. Take this end.
And now what happened, Andy?
I'm fighting with the rope.
You're fighting against the rope.
Yes, left. Turn left.
Well, what happened, Andy?
It's
Tell me.
raining, man. We are going to my house to take 2 ropes because the rope that we had didn't even reach the quad, so we will need at least 2 more. Hopefully we will retrieve the quad.
Okay.
We hope.
We
don't know.
Yeah.
The truth is I'm lost and all darling. Patiently broken hearted, up and down. I'm so exhausted. If I left it all behind, what say you? Tell me everything of your fears and dreams. Where do all you sleep? Oh, you don't have to speak. Just have a walk with me, and your care I'll keep. How are we, my darling?
We have just used my long range setup to take a rope over the tree, but we didn't success totally because the rope is like 10 meters over us. Well, the other part of the rope. So we are going to use again the quad to take that rope and take it to the ground.
Tough times, love blind. No signs for the record of your love life. You're scared and I can feel it. And when you talk, nobody hear you. But I swear it's like your spirit, yeah. Speaks to me, it speaks to me. You're scared and I can feel it. And when you talk, nobody hear you.
Adiós, para, se ha enredado. Bueno. Ya va solo. Bueno, pero mira.
Oh, if
Venga, dale.
Like I've been breathing slow, wanted to take it slow.
Well, this is what I have just made. It's basically a crossbow. If I tie a rope into the end of this arrow, I may be able to retrieve the quad. I'm quite sure that the quad will be able to lift this. So I'm gonna try it, let's see.
Show me how it felt before we were on fire. We were
Well guys, this is the system that I have prepared. If I flip this switch, the arrow will go out of the drone. Hopefully it will pass this branch and we will be able to pull take the drone back down.
Arriba.
Dale. Sí, lo he pasado bastante bien.
Sí.
Well guys, super quick update. Since yesterday idea the crossbow didn't go as planned and today is super windy, I'm gonna buy a fishing rod and attach it to the quad. I don't know if it will work because the moment of inertia of the pitch axis will rise by a lot. But maybe raising the P gain, I will contrast it and maybe it might work. I don't know. Well, anyway, if I fasten a hook and a rope into the end, I might be able to catch the quad and hopefully take it down. I don't know. Let's see.
Bambolea, pero va subiendo. Sí, sí, va bien. Ya pasa. Hasta el largo.
Well guys, as you saw, my idea of the fishing rod wasn't spectacular, but I have another idea, maybe even dumbbell, but let's see. It's basically the same idea that I came out the first day, but instead of trying to push the quad that is caught on the branches with another quad, I will pass a quad, a suicide quad maybe, with a rope exactly into the branch that my quad is, and I will bring it down. So I have both ends of the rope and I will rise something, maybe a branch or something that is here. Trying to push my quad with it so it falls down, because moving the branch doesn't do anything because it's so caught in it that it doesn't do anything. So I'm running out of ideas. But anyway, let's see.
No, tú vas bien, vas bien. Todo va bien. O sea, tú verás, estás más o menos... No, pues tienes que subir un poco más, ¿no?
Sí, con este no veo también.
¿Lo ves ya? Vale. Pues tienes que tirar para atrás, ¿no?
We were on fire. We were dancing in the dark. We were on fire. It was tearing us apart. You left a hole in my heart, and I feel it burning deeper. You left a hole in my heart.
Tira tú. Ya sigue en tu última idea.